And in other news, Cotu Secretary General Francis Atwoli and Federation of Kenya Employers Executive Director Jaqueline Mugo will continue to serve in the National Social Security Fund Board of Trustees. The Industrial Court has revoked a legal notice filed by Labour Cabinet Secretary Kazungu Kambi, removing Atwoli and Mugo from the board. Ben Kitili has the latest on the NSSF boardroom wars.
The boardroom wars of the National Social Security Fund Board have led to sour relations, especially between Labour Secretary Kazungu Kambi and Cotu boss Francis Atwoli. Kambi's move to retire Atwoli and the FKA Executive Director Jaqueline Mugo from the board on Friday led to much disapproval from various quarters. And diplomacy efforts by the Labour Secretary Monday morning did not bear much fruit, as Atwoli, Mugo and their teams were kept waiting for hours despite reportedly being invited by the Labour Secretary.
He invited Cotu. He did not say, uleta watu tatu, uleta watu ine. Whatever we would have discussed between me and him, angelibadilisha aseme no, because he doesn't keep his word.
This is a matter that goes to the very heart of industrial relations, because if a Minister of Labour cannot meet the tripartite parties that he's supposed to oversee, then we really wonder where industrial relations in this country is coming to.
Wao badala kungoja tuwaambie wakakuja, na walipokuja mbali ya kuwa hakuna appointment, mimi nikasema wacheni tuwaone, lakini tutawaona in this manner. Ndio wao wamekataa.
Just minutes later, an activist, Charles Omanga, moved to court through an application seeking to set aside Friday's Gazette notice that had locked Mugo and Atwoli out. In the application, Omanga had intimated that Kambi's decision was unconstitutional, as he did not have the capacity to retire the two from the board. High Court Judge Justice Weldon Korir certified the matter as urgent and will be heard on Wednesday, July 23rd. And in a major setback for the Labour Secretary, later Monday the Industrial Court finally struck. Lady Justice Monica Mbaru revoked Kambi's Gazette notice pending the hearing and determination of a case that had been filed by Cotu and Atwoli. The Industrial Court ruling temporarily gives Atwoli and Mugo a lifeline in the latest chapter of the NSSF boardroom wrangles. Both Cotu and FKE have been at loggerheads with the Labour Secretary after the two organizations opposed the implementation of the new NSSF rates, as well as the controversial 5 billion shilling Tasia project. Following the Industrial Court decision, Cotu has cancelled a planned strike that was slated for August 4th. Ben Kitili, KTN.